Welcome back to Arsul Polytechnic YouTube channel. Today we will see the questions asked in MSBT exam. On which topic? Applied grammar. Articles, preposition, conjunction, tense, or verb forms, or voice, and direct and indirect speech. So today we will see the question paper of winter 2019 examination. In winter 2019 examination, there were questions asked on articles, asked on prepositions, asked on conjunctions, asked on verb forms, asked on voice, and also asked on direct and indirect speech. So today we will discuss the questions and its answers, questions and their answers in this session. So in winter 2019 exam, let's see the question number 6. Question number 6. Do as directed. In do as directed, do as directed. There were questions asked on articles, conjunctions, and prepositions. There were questions asked on articles for 2 marks, prepositions for 2 marks, conjunctions for 2 marks. Let's see first question asked on the topic articles. It was, I was born in the town on the outskirts of a city, Kolkata. I was born in the town on the outskirts, in the town on the outskirts of a city, 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 Kolkata. To stop there, 2 articles used there, they were wrong in the given sentence, and we have to correct it for 2 marks. So instruction was there. Rewrite the sentence using correct article in the place of underlined articles. Correct the sentence using correct articles, or replace the word those are underlined in the given sentence with correct articles. Let's see, here is the article used and here is a article used in the given sentence. But town, we don't know, it is a specific town. So here is a article is correct. Why? In the rest of the sentence there is a city, but it is a specific city. So here is the article is correct. Makes sense? Why here is a article correct? Why here is the article correct? Because I was born in dash town. In dash town. Here we can observe that not a specific town, but its reference given in the next rest of the sentence. So the article is correct here and a article is correct here in the grammatical. So correct answer was the question was the I was born in I was born in a town on the outskirts of a city, Kolkata. On the outskirts of the city of Kolkata. The city. Here is given specific city. So we use specific or definite article here. The city Kolkata. The city Kolkata. So it was asked for 2 marks in winter 2019 exam. Next question was related to the topic prepositions. Next question was asked related to the topic of a preposition. So what was the question? He climbed in the ladder to get through the attic. He climbed in the ladder. He climbed in the ladder to get through. In the ladder to get through. To get through the attic. Here is underline and also here is underline because those are prepositions. And instruction or question was rewrite the sentence using correct preposition in the place of underlined prepositions. So replace the correct prepositions. When we listen about the ladder or we using the ladder, that time on or of is a correct preposition. So here is on is also correct preposition. He climbed on the ladder. Also correct sentence according to grammar. And he climbed up in the ladder. It is also correct. On or up. Then in the rest of the sentence, to get into, to using for direction and into also using when we entered from one to or making the change from one to into another. So here is on is also correct preposition, up is also correct preposition, and here is also into or to. When we write it as he climbed on the ladder or up the ladder to get into or to attic, the attic. It is also correct sentence. You will get 2 marks out of 2 marks. Preposition was asked for 2 marks in winter 2019 exam. Let's see in the question number 3. Third question was asked on the topic conjunctions. As the police officers or the military personnel were present. As the police officer, number 3, as the police officers or the military personnel were present. The military personnel were present were present. This was the question, and instruction was rewrite the sentence using correct conjunctions in the place of underlined words. Here is underline and also here is underline. So using correct when two nouns are there in a same sentence, we connect them with both and. For example, here is a correct conjunctions. Both the workers, both the police officers, and the military person and the military person and the military personnel were present there, or were present. It is correct use of conjunctions. We have to get 2 marks out of 2 marks for that answer. It is also here is also use of not only but also correct both and, not only the police officers but also military personnel were present. Military personnel were present there, also correct answer. So we can use correct prepositions in the given sentence. Military persons were there. Present. So those were the questions asked in question number 6 for 6 marks. Those 6 marks are divided into articles for 2 marks, prepositions for 2 marks, then conjunctions for 2 marks. Let's see the next questions asked in winter 2019 exam. In question number 6, there was also questions asked on applied grammar. So we will see that questions for in question number 6. See, the questions asked on grammar were first question was on the topic of verb forms. So what was the question? Question was he in bracket come to class on time every day. Every day. But in bracket reach late today. Instruction was rewrite the sentence using correct form of verb given in the bracket. Let's see the question. There is given come verb in the bracket and rest of the sentence class on time every day. In the first half of the sentence. Here is every day. When we use every time we use simple present tense or habitual actions. Every day also indicates, the word every day also indicates this action occurs or happened every day. So here is the correct simple present tense verb form comes. Okay, class on time every day. Class on time every day. Every day. Then today here is given late in the next half of the sentence. So late indicates past. So we use here simple past tense every day. But he reached late today. Why using here simple present tense verb? Because when we learn tense, that time we also learn when we speak about regular events or habitual actions, that time we use simple present tense. So here we use simple structure of simple present tense. He comes on class time, but today he reached late. It was the occurred incident. So we use occurred event. So we use simple past tense. Next question was, as soon as we, next sentence, as soon as we, in bracket, C was given, the accident we immediately go there. We immediately go there. There was also given two verbs and instruction was rewrite the sentence using correct form of verb given in the bracket. Let's see, when we speak about two incidents, that time we use as soon as. Before that, first occurred incident, and after that simple past is in the next sentence. So there is two events or two incidents occurred. First, we saw the accident, and second, we went there. So there is a also V2, correct use of given verbs V2, correct. So as soon as we saw, as soon as we saw is correct. The accident, because it occurred first. मी ऍक्सिडेंट व्हायला नंतर तिकडे गेलोय ना, दुसरी कोणती घटना घडली, ऍक्सिडेंट पाहिल्यानंतर मी तिकडे गेलोय, दुसरी घटनेचं सुद्धा रिफ्यूज होतं. वी इमिजिएटली गो देअर, वी इमिजिएटली वेंट देअर. सो हियर इज ऑल्सो using verb to in the given sentence, went there. Okay, and question C was asked for 2 marks. There was given one sentence. It was a lovely day. It was a lovely day. It was a lovely day. Lovely day. And instruction was convert into exclamatory sentence. Convert it into exclamatory sentence. So given sentence is in assertive. Why it is in assertive? Because the structure of the given sentence is subject plus verb plus object. So it is given in assertive. You have to convert it for 2 marks into exclamatory sentence. So what is the structure of exclamatory sentence? When a is there, we started the exclamatory sentence with what? So what? Then take a, what a, then lovely day, it was, and taking exclamation mark. What a lovely day it was, what a lovely day it was, exclamation mark. So those questions we discussed today on articles, on prepositions, on conjunctions, and also verb forms. We will discuss another questions asked in winter 2019 exam in the next session. Thank you.